some natural phenomena. Learning about earthquakes. Earthquakes. In our last topic, we have just learned about thunderstorms and lightning. In our last class, we have learned about cyclones. These natural phenomena can cause large-scale destruction to human life and property. Fortunately, these phenomena can be predicted to some extent. The weather department can warn about a thunderstorm developing in some area. If a thunderstorm occurs, there is always a possibility of lightning and cyclones accompanying it. So, we get time to take measures to protect ourselves from the damage caused by these phenomena. A major earthquake occurred in India on 8 October 2005 in Uri and Tangdhar, towns of northern Kashmir. Before that, a major earthquake occurred on 26 January 2001 in Bhuj district of Gujarat. What is an earthquake? An earthquake is a sudden shaking or trembling of the earth lasting for a very short time. It is caused by a disturbance deep inside the earth's crust. Earthquakes occur all the time, all over the earth. They are not even noticed. Major earthquakes are much less frequent. They can cause immense damages to buildings, bridges, dams, and people. There can be a great loss of life and property. The earthquakes can cause floods, landslides, and tsunamis. A major tsunami occurred in the Indian Ocean on 26th of December 2004. All the coastal areas around the ocean suffered huge losses. Now we know that the tremors are caused by the disturbance deep down inside the uppermost layer of the earth called the crust. The outermost layer of the earth is not in one piece. It is fragmented. Each fragment is called a plate. These plates are in continual motion. When they brush past one another, or a plate goes under another due to collision, they cause disturbances in the earth's crust. It is this disturbance that shows up as an earthquake on the surface of the earth. Tremors on the earth can also be caused when a volcano erupts, or a meteoroid hits the earth, or an underground nuclear explosion is carried out. However, most earthquakes are caused by the movement of Earth's plates. Since earthquakes are caused by the movements of the plates, the boundaries of the plates are the weak zones when earthquakes are more likely to occur. The weak zones are also known as
seismic or fault zones.
In India, the areas most threatened are Kashmir, Western and Central Himalayas, the whole of Northeast, Rann of Kutch, Rajasthan, and the Indo-Gangetic Plain. Some areas of the South India also fall in the danger zone. The power of an earthquake is expressed in the terms of magnitude on a scale called the Richter scale. The tremors produced waves on the surface of the earth. These are called seismic waves. The waves are recorded by an instrument called the seismograph. The instrument is simply a vibrating rod or a pendulum which starts vibrating when tremors occur. A pen is attached to the vibrating system. A pen records the seismic waves on a paper which moves under it. By studying these waves, scientists can construct a complete map of the earthquake. They can also estimate its power to cause destruction. Protection against the earthquakes. We know that earthquakes cannot be predicted. We have also seen that they can be highly destructive. It is therefore important that we take necessary precautions to protect ourselves all the time. People living in seismic zones where the earthquakes are more likely to occur have to be specially prepared. ahead. First of all, the buildings in these zones should be designed so that they can withstand major tremors. Modern building technology can make it possible. In the event that an earthquake does strike, take the following steps to protect yourself. 1. If you are at home, take shelter under a table and stay there till the shaking stops. Stay away from tall and heavy objects that may fall on you. If you are in bed, do not get up. Protect your head with a pillow. 2. If you are outdoors, find a clean spot away from buildings, trees, and overhead power lines. Drop to the ground. If you are in a car or a bus, do not come out. Ask the driver to drive slowly to a clear spot. Do not come out till the tremor stops. Summary: an earthquake is a sudden shaking or trembling of the earth. Earthquake is caused by a disturbance deep inside the earth's crust. It is not possible to predict the occurrence of an earthquake. Earthquakes tend to occur at the boundaries of the earth's plate. These boundaries are known as fault zones. Destructive energy of an earthquake is measured on the Richter scale. The earthquake measuring 7 or more on a Richter scale can cause severe damage to life and property. That is all in this lesson, students. Take precautions and live safely.